Hello my friends, greeting from Akino. Today, so let me introduce you how we can use with the AI camera. If you already get the Akino interactive panel with the AI cameras. So as you see, we have the 48 million pixel camera and also the 8 aerial microphone. So it can pick up the voice from the 8 to 25 meters. Okay, so let me show you how we use the camera. Okay, so firstly, you may not see what's for the AI function. Let's start it. You need to say yeah to the panel for 3 seconds to start the AI function. Okay, as you see, it supports the face checking. And also it supports the voice checking. Hi. Yeah, nice. Okay, so as you see, the camera is very sensitive. The feedback is quick and good. And also it have another structure. You can start another functions. Like this one, you can shift the 2 windows. Okay, so let's go back. And also, you like a gun, you can get a mirror for 3 seconds. Yes, you will get the mirror for the cameras. Okay, so that's all. Feel free to contact us if any more support you needed. Thank you.